all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell another friend to tell their mama, because we literally over here. Y'all not going to see me today, but y'all going to straight up hear me. And I had to come on here and announce the winner for the Mama Rare. Of course, Mama Rare had to make an appearance. Go ahead, girl. Give them what you got for a poke chop.
Parents, Mama Rare in the house.
Are you going to announce the winner?
Yes. I want to announce that Rosalind Green is our winner.
Once again, that's Rosalind Green. I hope we're pronouncing your name right, but you are the winner of the Coach. What is it? It's the Silver Coach pillow bag.
Yes, Rosalind girl, and it is honey a keeper.
Girl, you doing the most. So yes, you have won. Definitely hit me up on my email or on IG. Oh, why can't I'm having a brain fart? Oh my gosh. So yes, I'm gonna put my email up top. Hit me up with your mailing address, and I will try to have it sent hopefully by the end of this week. If not, definitely by next Wednesday. But yes, you are the winner once again, Rosalind Green.
Rosalind Green.
Alright, y'all, we don't got no sore losers here because y'all know we climbing the ladder, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.